Hey, I'm David Draper with Peterson's Hunting Magazine. I'm here with my dear friend, fame and what'd you say, misfortune, Seth McGinn. Makes the CanCooker. I've used one for years, but you got some cool new products that we're gonna highlight today, and we're gonna make a little bit of breakfast scramble. What do we got going on here? Well, we got a little coffee percolating here.
Yeah, for breakfast, everybody wants a cup of coffee.
That's right.
We're gonna do a breakfast scramble on our Conversion Griddle on the multi-fuel. It's quick, easy, no matches, automatic ignite. Get it going, we'll throw that on there.
Perfect.
Let's start with, you brought some wild pork sausage from an earlier
That's right, yep.
excursion.
That's actually antelope and pork.
Really?
Yeah, and breakfast sausage. So what are you gonna do, about half a pound of that?
Sure.
And let that fry up?
Better than the hot dogs we eat at our house.
I gotcha. And I'm just gonna serve sous. I'm gonna be the sous chef for you. How does that work? The sous chef for you?
Easy for you to say.
No, maybe not.
Get that browned up, we'll add some veggies. We're gonna do a little onion, green pepper, mushrooms. Once this gets done, we'll add some eggs, a little cheese, and it'll be breakfast.
All right, sausage is looking good. I think we're gonna throw a little onion on, so
Correct.
don't lose a finger there, but work on that. And while you're doing that, I'm gonna distract you as soon as you have a sharp knife in your hands. Tell me a little bit about the multi-fuel burner. What all does it run on?
This one we're using propane.
So 1 pound propane bottle.
Green 1 pounder.
Yep.
It also works with butane.
Gotcha.
That's the little hairspray one that we have in the...
And that's in this one here, right?
Yep, this one will work on both.
Okay.
That one will only work on butane.
On the butane, and this thing lifts up and you just pop it right in there, right?
Yep.
All right.
We got the hose regulator ran in there. Screw it right on.
Perfect.
Got the green 1 pound propane down there.
Yeah. So this is great. Like I camp out of my vehicle during hunting season a lot, and so that's great for that. But I think it also, you put this in your duck blind, use it all year long in your duck blind, right?
Camping, tailgating, ATV and off-roading.
You name it. I think this is perfect.
Backyard
for that.
cookout.
Yep. Yeah, we need that extra burner in your backyard cookout. Perfect for making your coffee, keeping your queso hot, any of that stuff.
And literally do anything on it, from a CanCooker to a cast iron skillet. Our Conversion Griddle is what we're doing today.
Yeah, super versatile. What do you got up next?
Do a little green pepper.
The onions are smelling delicious.
Right?
Yep.
What's the deal with this sausage? Antelope?
Antelope. Killed it in Nebraska last year with my muzzleloader.
Nice.
Yeah, my traditional muzzleloader Hawken, as a matter of fact. So, and then threw a little pork in there, a little fennel, some cloves, a little secret
Smells
seasoning.
amazing.
Well, thank you very much. So
this just kind of a traditional, hey, camp breakfast, quick, easy, convenient.
yeah, exactly. And you could do it a lot of different ways. You can just eat it with a fork. You could throw it in a tortilla probably, over a little toast. So, yeah, you don't have to get too fancy, man. You're in hunting camp.
No.
Just eat.
Right? Good
All
food.
Right. Perfect, yeah.
Great outdoors.
Exactly. You just want to saute these up, soften the peppers a little bit.
I think that might be about good.
Looking good, yeah. We're gonna throw a little seasoning on here because I know you got your own seasoning as well, right?
Yeah, you like it a little spicy?
I like it a lot spicy.
Let's do Creole.
I think that's the one in the middle. That one? All right.
If not, we'll always think it should have been.
Yeah, original Creole seasoning.
So the cool deal with these, all natural, no MSG.
Oh, seriously?
And gluten-free.
Gluten-free.
Good and good for you.
About a little more?
Come on.
All right.
We'll add a little mushroom. You like mushrooms?
I love mushrooms.
Morels would be ideal.
Yeah.
Nebraska boy.
Yeah, that's right. And I kind of feel like down here in this little holler at Midwest Whitetail Adventures, they're probably in the springtime, there might have a little been morels nearby, but I bet you picked them all.
Yeah.
While you're out turkey hunting.
It seems like them turkeys can find them a little easier than me.
Yeah. I don't know, you're a little low to the ground. I think you could find it.
Right, yeah.
Sorry, I had to throw that in there.
You get better vision on it. I'm staring them straight in the eye. You're looking down on them.
Gotcha.
Mushrooms won't take long at all, so add them last.
I just got a whiff of the Creole. Oh, excuse me.
What do you think? Ready for some
I'm ready for eggs when
chicken?
you're ready for eggs. That's young chicken.
Right?
Get that up on there. Here, I'll make you a little bowl for it.
Oh, teamwork makes the dream work.
I guess so. Oh, got about lost that one. We're making a big breakfast for 2 hungry men.
Right?
Eggs are looking plenty done, so what do we got now?
It's always better with cheese,
Everything's better with cheese. A lot of cheese also.
Throw some in there.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get that on there and let that melt a bit. And then I think we got some bowls nearby.
Shoot, yeah, we'll kick this off.
Let that cheese melt down and
Before that gets away.
let's eat.
Oh, and that seasoning.
Oh, I can smell it, trust me.
Right. You hungry?
I'm starving.
That and a cup of coffee. Not a
right.
bad start to the morning.
Great start to the morning. Any hunting camp, this is the great way to start it up. I'll swap
Thank you, sir.
Yep. Oh, I'm making a mess, which is the way I cook. If you're not making a mess, I don't think you're cooking. So set that down there. Thank you very much. I'm gonna pour myself a cup of coffee, but guess what? You don't get a cup.
Ooh.
You're way too highly caffeinated right now.
Right.
You're all jacked up.
Draper, as always.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate you.
Thanks for having me down.
Yeah, absolutely. Everything always does taste a little better in the great outdoors.